We begin at 10 with St. Louisans clamoring for the coronavirus vaccine. Weeks into distribution, how and when many of us will get vaccinated is unclear.
News 4 alerting you that St. Louis and St. Charles counties now have portals for you to sign up. But take a look. Shortly after we told you about this on News 4 at 5, this is what happened to St. Louis County's website. The page stopped working for people. Well, now it's back up. And News 4's Alexis Zotos is tracking the vaccine, digging through the confusion around it all. Alexis?
Corey, St. Louis University here has actually applied with the state of Missouri to be a vaccinator site. They say they want to help vaccinate all their university staff and students, as well as the surrounding St. Louis community. And the rollout of this vaccine has really been a lot slower in the city of St. Louis compared to some of our surrounding counties. And some people tonight are really curious if their zip code might impact how quickly they can get this vaccine.
It's been really scary.
Sean O'Hara is a type 2 diabetic and has an autoimmune disease, making him high risk for COVID-19.
My doctors have told me if I get COVID, it's because of your comorbidities. You go straight to hospital.
Due to his risk, he likely falls in the 1B category for the vaccine rollout. But as a city resident, he's had trouble getting information. The St. Louis City Health Department has not yet received any vaccines from the state, like St. Louis and St. Charles counties.
My hope was that I would have both doses of the vaccine by my birthday, which is early March.
St. Charles and St. Louis counties, as well as St. Clair and Madison counties in the Metro East, have all set up websites where residents can pre-register for the vaccine. The St. Louis County's registration form asks for age, if you're an essential worker, and if you have health conditions, some which include obesity, heart disease, diabetes. That information is used to work down the vaccine priority list.
Once we reach a new tier and there are different groups of people who are all in that tier, why we will go by roughly who signs up first. So that's why it's important to understand how to sign up, to watch the tiers, to understand what tier you're in, and then to communicate with us when that tier is called.
But all area health departments say if you're offered the vaccine through work or your doctor, take that opportunity. O'Hara recently moved to St. Louis and is hopeful his doctor in Iowa might get him access to the vaccine faster.
Who's going to get me what vaccine first? If I have to take a trip to Des Moines and take 2 days off in a month's time, that shot in the arm, that double shot is worth it.
Alexis Zotos live again with us from St. Louis University. Alexis, it's interesting how St. Louis and St. Charles counties have plans and vaccines. With St. Louis City being the largest in the area, why doesn't the city health department have any vaccines?
You know, that is, Corey, the question we have been trying to get answered from the state health department for weeks now. The city of St. Louis does tell me they hope to get their allotment of vaccines within the next week or so. It's important to note Jefferson County also has not received any vaccines, and the state has not really given any good explanation as to why different counties are getting these vaccines sooner, other than to say that the supply of this vaccine is just still so limited. Reporting in MIDTOWN, Alexis Zotos, News 4.
So a lot to figure out. All right, Alexis, thank you very much.
St. Louis and St. Charles counties tell us you can register no matter what category you're in. Once the state approves the next tier, counties will then work their way through those signups. Just be aware that that could take weeks, if not months. Also, St. Louis City and Jefferson counties are working on sign-up options for residents.